Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alayhi wasallam. Dear viewers, today we will talk about Phagonia arabica. First of all, what is Phagonia arabica? Phagonia arabica is a tropical herb belongs to family Zygophyllaceae, found in the entire India subcontinents and is commonly known as thamasa. It is a green shrub of 1 to 3 feet height found on the calcareous rocks distributed throughout the Mediterranean regions of Africa, Afghanistan, India and Pakistan. Number second, where is Phagonia found? Phagonia indica belongs to Zygophyllaceae. It is commonly known as Dhamasa, Dhamana, Dhamasu, Dhamawa, Adhramu, Dhama, Sachibuti, Suchibuti, and Shoka, and is found in the deserts of Asia and Africa. The species of its family are of very high importance. Number third, what is the Thamasa plants called in English? Phagonia arabica belong to Zygophyllaceae family 39 and is known as Harasan thorn in English and by a common name of Thamasa in India. And number fourth, what is Phagonia good for? Traditionally, Phagonia is well known as septic tonic for many liver diseases and for the treatment of number of different ailments such as anemia, smallpox, diabetes, child's pain, dropsy, jaundice, cough, asthma, against poisoning, and for the treatment of various skin lesions. And number fifth, what is Thamasa powder used for? Thamasa powder is the best blood purifier and decomposes blood clots to save from the brain hemorrhage and heart problem. Can be used for the cooling effects, treats all type of the hepatitis.